Hello there friends, I hope that you're doing well. So in this video I wanted to show you two very old Nokia phones. These are you can actually see the model if you remove the battery. So this one is Nokia 1112 and this one is Nokia 1110i. So they are pretty similar, as you can see. They are both made in Hungary. This one is in bad condition. It's pretty used. You can't even see the numbers on the buttons. However, this one looks much better. Now the problem is they won't hold power and I can't really use them. Even if I try to charge them, they will not hold on. I mean, they will start. And by the way, this is a Nokia charger that has a USB connector. You can find something like this on Aliexpress for about $2, so very cheap if you're looking for a charger. And once I connect it, so to open it I have to click on the red button, so to close the code. However, as you can see, it just opens and then closes right away because it cannot hold power. It's saying not charging. So I don't have a spare battery to try, but it's the same for both. So that one is black and white, and this one has the green colors. Empty battery, and it will close right away. Even if I leave it to charge for 1 or 2 hours, it will still I won't be able to use it. So I'm going to try to sell these phones because I don't have any use for them. Maybe there are some collectors out there, especially this one with blue. It's in a very good condition except the battery, and maybe this one can be used for parts. So yeah, I just wanted to show you these two old phones from Nokia. I bought in the recent years a modern model, also with this type of dial with normal buttons, so not a smartphone. And I have to say that the quality was extremely poor compared to these old school phones that could just resist everything, and they also sounded great, and overall the build quality was awesome. This is probably a 20 years old phone, or 15 at least, I'm not sure, maybe 20, but they still work if I would replace the battery. Okay, so I hope that you found the video useful. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.